Everybody, welcome to ScholarAdda. It's me, Kirtika. Today we're gonna see introduction of Python. See this video till the end because I've given a brief introduction on Python. This video is especially for non-technical students. Please make use of it. Let's get into the section.
In introduction, we're going to see what is Python, why Python was created, why the name Python, features of Python programming, reasons to choose Python as a first language, writing our first program. See what is Python. Python is a programming language. It was created by Guido van Rossum and released in 1991. See, it is released in 1991, but at that time it didn't get popular. Recent times, after 2010 only it got popular. Reason is like after 2000 only they have changed into open source. For example, I have developed a code and I can contribute it to Python community, and you can use those code. Like that, so many contributions was coming, so many people were using the application. From this, a big community has formed, starting from engineering background, civil, mechanical, IT, and everybody started using only after that. This is the best example why we need to learn Python. And it is used for web development, software development, mathematics, system scripting, and it is used in gaming, data science, machine learning, AI, Internet of Things, and testing. Let's see why Python was created. Rosum was working in Amoeba Distributed Operating System Group. He wanted to create a encrypted language which is fast and simple to access the Amoeba system calls. So only he created a new language and later he named it as Python. This is the reason why he created the Python. We're gonna see why the name Python. Python is a snake name, right? But he didn't keep the snake name to his programming language. He was a big fan of a comedy series, which was in the 1970s, named Monty Python Flying Circus. The name of the python was adopted from the same series. This is how he kept the name Python for his programming language. We're gonna see features of Python programming. A simple language. It is a simple language and free and open source. You can download it anywhere, anytime. Extensible and embeddable. That means you can extend or add coding. A high level encrypted language. Encrypted language means the code which is executed line by line. This is called encrypted language. Large standard libraries to solve common tasks. In Python, we have more libraries which we'll see in upcoming sections. Object oriented. It is not object oriented, it is also a procedure oriented. Next, we're gonna see reason to choose Python as a first language. It works on different platforms, Windows, Mac, Linux, etc. It is a simple language, it has easy syntax. If you're learning programming language for first time, no problem. Python is the best language to start. And it allows developers to write programs with few lines. The code is executed very quickly as soon as it is written, and Python can be treated in a step-by-step way or object-oriented way or functional way. Writing first program in Python. Just look after this example. This hash symbol in Python it is called as comment. You can write anything in this comment. This is for your reference. This doesn't get executed. Another function is like print function. Print function is used to print something. Whatever you give inside the print function, it will print. For example, you see I is equal to 20. j is equal to 20. I'm taking another variable as k is equal to I plus j. That means I is contains 20 plus j contains 20. So 40 will be stored in k. I'm just printing k. See, I'm just copying it and I'm just pasting here. I'm just running it. It should come 40. See, I'm getting 40. You can just print normally, like print. If you want to print your name, I'm going to print my name. Just going to run it. See, you're getting Kirtika. You can print anything. Since my name is a string, this we'll see in later sections. Name is a string data type, so we should put double quotes and type hello world. See now, Kirtika hello world. See, this is how you print the names or whatever variables. That's it. We have completed the introduction part. It's actually over. And if you like this class, please purchase the whole course from the ScholarAdda.com. And thank you. Have a good day.